In this video, I will tell you why you should not start your YouTube channel with AI-generated content. I'm going to explain why your YouTube channel won't become popular. At least not the one you created hastily and plan to fill with content generated automatically, such as when you just generate content and videos using artificial intelligence. In my previous video, I explained the difficulties you'll face and how it's not as easy as it seems. But if those arguments aren't enough, let's face the truth and look at the problem more broadly. Consider some obvious facts. Fact number 1. Over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute, or 720,000 hours per day. This means that there are likely hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of new YouTube videos uploaded every day. Say it out loud. Millions per day. Ask yourself, how can your video stand out in such a saturated market, even if it has original content? Fact number 2. Most popular channels have a team of professionals behind them who write scripts, film, voice, edit, analyze, research, and advertise their content. Or a large part of this work is outsourced. If you want to compete with these channels, you'll need a budget to hire professionals or acquire the necessary skills yourself. Fact number 3. YouTube is not like it was years ago and became now a commercial platform that relies heavily on search engine optimization for video promotion. Even if your content is excellent, it may not be discovered without proper SEO. Are you willing to spend time learning algorithms instead of the creative process? While there are many other factors to consider, let's focus on these 3 and ask ourselves, how many more of these guys dreaming of crazy money? And every day there will be more people willing to try. So is it worth investing time and resources into this? Or is it better to just buy a lottery ticket?